subject physics, chapter 1 matter. Matter. Anything which occupies space, has mass, is called the matter. Example: solid, liquid or gas. Solid, suppose a duster, it has mass and it occupies space. Liquid, water, if filled in container, it occupies space and has mass, and gas also. Molecule. Molecule is the smallest unit of matter which can exist independently. A molecule is made up of two or more atoms of same type or different types. Suppose example: molecule made up of two or more atoms of same type. Example: oxygen is made up of same type of atoms O2, O plus O. O2 is also a molecule. And other example, different types. Example: H2O. It is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. Every matter is composed of molecule, and molecule is composed of atoms. Monoatomic molecule. A molecule composed of one atom is called monoatomic molecule. Example: argon, symbol Ar. Xenon and helium are monoatomic molecules. Characteristics of molecules. First point, they are very small in size. A molecule of size nearly 10 to the power minus 10 meter. It is too small that it cannot be seen even with the help of microscope. Second point, they have spaces between them. The spacing between the molecules of matter is called intermolecular spacing. It is less in solid, more in liquid, and still more in gases. They are in constant motion and they possess kinetic energy. The molecules of matter are not at rest, but they are constantly in motion. But the molecules vibrate about their mean position without leaving their position. It is the characteristics of solid. In liquid, the molecules are free to move well within the boundary of the liquid. In gas, the molecules can move in a random manner everywhere in space available to them. Molecules attract each other. Force of cohesion. The force of attraction that exists between similar kinds of molecules is called force of cohesion. Example: molecules of water H2O attract each other H2O. They are similar kinds of molecules. We can also give the example of oxygen and oxygen, same type of atom. So the force between them is known as force of cohesion. Force of adhesion, the force of attraction that exists between different types of molecules is called force of adhesion. Suppose, example, the force of attraction between the molecules of different substances. Empty a glass containing water. The attraction between glass and water molecules. Intermolecular distance. The distance between the molecules of a substance is called intermolecular distance. State of matters. There are three physical states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. In solid, the molecules in solid are closely packed due to strong attractive force between them. The particles of solid attract each other. They are closely packed. Solid. In liquid, the molecules in a liquid are closely packed, but their position are not fixed. Like that, their molecules are apart, something apart in comparison of solid. Liquid. The molecules in a gas are wide apart and their position are not fixed. Their structure, gas particle, apart. Distinction between solids, liquids, and gases. Solids. A solid has a definite shape and definite volume. It means their shape are fixed and volume also fixed. Suppose a stone, it has fixed shape and size, volume. Second point, the molecules in a solid are rigid. It means molecules attract each other by a strong force. A solid cannot flow. The intermolecular forces are very strong, so its position of molecules are fixed. Liquid. A liquid has definite volume but not definite shape, because it takes the shape of different container. If pour the liquid in different container, the molecules in a liquid are non-rigid. It means it can flow from one place to another place. A liquid can flow. Fourth point, the intermolecular force are less strong. It means it can change the place. Gases. A gas has neither a definite volume nor a definite shape. It means their shape and size both are different in place to place. Second point, the molecules in a gas are non-rigid. A gas can flow in entire space. The intermolecular forces are weak in a gas. Homework: remember and write notes.